In honor of America's Independence Day, I wanted to delve into one of our national pastimes, moonshine. Moonshine is embedded in our culture, even to the point where they have a show on Discovery Channel about it. Once you get to Discovery Channel, you know you've made it. I want my own TV show. So we're going to look at moonshine, what it is, what it isn't, and I'm going to taste test these two award-winning corn mash spirits that came to me all the way from Pembroke, Christian County, Kentucky. Today on I had a really good friend who was down in Kentucky recently, and she was able to pick me up two of these corn mash spirits from Pembroke, Christian County, Kentucky. And it got me thinking, what about moonshine? It says Kentucky Strawberry Shine in the bottle, but what is moonshine? So the first thing is moonshine must be illegal in order to be moonshine. What makes moonshine illegal is that you haven't paid any taxes on it. It's as simple as that. It comes down to Uncle Sam all the f***ing time. If the distiller hasn't paid taxes on it, that means it's illegal, and then it can be considered moonshine. The term moonshine has nothing to do with the actual strength or proof of the spirit. It only has to do with whether taxes have been paid or not. That's it. So there has been always kind of a pop culture reference to moonshine and leading to death or blindness. Was it true? In fact, yes, it is. But it's not for the reason you might suspect. See, back during Prohibition in the 20s, people were making liquor out of everything. They were very unexperienced cooks, making very, very toxic liquor, and it was killing a lot of people. Little fun fact, the worst booze poisoner in US history was actually the US government. The US government sanctioned poisoning a large batch of industrial alcohol. The end result was that it killed nearly 10,000 people and made countless more seriously sick. Here's another misnomer. Corn whiskey and moonshine. Are they synonymous? No. Corn whiskey, by definition, has a mash bill of corn that's 80% or greater, and it also may be aged in barrels. However, moonshine calls for no barrel aging whatsoever. You go right from the distilling process to the bottle, to your gut, to the morgue. And here's another one I found. Can you run your car on alcohol, specifically moonshine? Yes and no. In fact, you could actually run your car on alcohol if it was between 160 and 170 proof. The problem is that moonshine is very rarely ever bottled at over 120 proof. Alright, now let's get down to the taste test. I will leave links to NB Roland's Distillery webpage in the description below so you can get a better understanding of who they are and what they do. So before we taste, I'll tell you a little bit about this distillery. I read up on them. I have a friend that goes there all the time. It's a really nice operation and it's a great small business. The distillery was founded in 2009 by a husband and wife, Paul and Mary Beth. That's where they get the NB from. NB. Don't know who Roland is yet. I didn't figure that out. Let me know. They are in fact Kentucky's first ever grain to glass craft distillery. So what does this mean? Grain to glass. So NB Roland uses local corn in the distillery process. All grain to glass really means is that they're using a local source of grain in order to make their spirit. A lot of these distillers out there have a dirty little secret. They'll get industrial batches of spirit in, mix up some of their proprietary blend, they'll slap a handcrafted label on there and sell it as handcrafted spirits. Handcrafted my arse. The grain to glass method uses locally sourced wheat, rye, barley, corn, which gives the spirits a flavor that is unique to the region. I have Kentucky Strawberry Shine and Kentucky Pink Lemonade. We're gonna give them a shot. I'm gonna try the Strawberry Shine first. It almost smells like fruit juice. No, it almost smells like, did you ever go to Trader Joe's and find a wine called Charles Shaw? They used to call it $2 Chuck. They used to sell it for $2. They don't sell it for $2 anymore. But that's what this smells like. It smells like Charles Shaw wine. All right, salute. Wow, that's very drinkable. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like a port wine. That's what it tastes like. Port wine. This is some damn good. That's really good. Well, that first one, that was a success. That was great. I mean, that was delicious. I could literally, honestly drink that every day. And it kind of hit me quick, too. Woo! Next up, we have the Kentucky Pink Lemonade. Now, this has won a ton of awards. So it's made with the natural flavors of lemons, strawberries, and cane sugar. Let's give it a shot. Kentucky Pink Lemonade. Salud. That's great. Wow, that is good. I mean, I'm drinking this warm. If this was on ice, I mean, this would be like on ice. Now, I'll probably hear that how sacrilegious it is to drink this stuff on ice. I know I'll hear about it, but woo! Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and hurt you. Oh man, straight to head. Woo! Well, that is, wow. Well, that'll do it here for us today at CRAFTS. Thanks for stopping by, watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all your support. Remember to like us on Instagram. Nobody cares about Facebook. Instagram. @_CRAFTS_. Check me out. I love it. I got a good little feed going there. People like going there. Check it out. Instagram. And I want to give a shout out to NB Roland Distillery down in Pembroke, Christian County, Kentucky. You guys are doing an awesome job. Great booze. I can't wait to come down. I'll definitely do that picking on the porch thing. Keep up the good work. Really good product, really good product. Like I said before, I'll put the link to the distillery down in the description below. I recommend everybody go out, check out their distillery, order their stuff. I mean, it's delicious, it really is. I'm not this is really, really good stuff. So keep up the good work, MB. And Paul, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm like the Burt Reynolds of stupid YouTube shows. Smokey and the Bandit. Was that it? Smokey and the Bandit. With Sally Struthers, right? Was she the chicken man? Sally Struthers? I think Sally Struthers was the chicken man. With Burt Reynolds? I think so. Or Sally Field? Sally Struthers. I don't know what happened to Sally Struthers. Can you see enough chest hair? Thanks for stopping by. I already said that. Liking my videos. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Cut.